Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Gimme Three Steps on electric guitar. We will begin with the iconic main riff. This classic tune is primarily in the key of D major, giving it that bright, rock and roll sound. The main riff cycles through a D, G, and a chord progression. Remember to use a shuffle rhythm, giving it a lively, slightly swung feel. Focus on making those open chords ring out clearly. Moving into the verse, you'll continue to use the D, G, and A chords. The strumming pattern here is crucial for maintaining the song's energy. Aim for a consistent down-up motion, emphasizing the root notes on your downbeats. This helps to drive the rhythm forward. Keep your strumming hand relaxed but firm, ensuring each chord change is smooth and precise. Now let's tackle the powerful chorus section. Here, the chord progression shifts slightly to D, C, G, and then back to D. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four chords to keep the flow seamless. You'll want to increase your strumming intensity a bit for the chorus, giving it a bigger, more anthemic feel. Let those chords ring out to create a full, rich sound. Finally, we'll touch upon the solo section and the outro. The solo is typically based in the D major pentatonic scale, offering plenty of room for expressive playing. Don't forget to incorporate bends and vibrato to add character to your licks. The outro simply repeats the main riff, gradually fading out. For a live ending, hit a strong, final D major chord to conclude the song with a flourish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.